Convert decimals to fractions. Okay, so in this video, I'm going to teach you how do we convert the decimal numbers to a fraction, right? So let's do an example. Convert the following decimals to fractions. Part A, I have a decimal number 0.25. I want to convert this number into fractions, right? So how many decimal places? After the decimal point, there are two numbers. So 25 is going to divide by 100. This is how we convert the decimal number to a fraction. But we can further simplify it. 5 times 5 is 25, 5 times 2 is 10, and we have a 0. 5 times 1 is 5, 5 times 4 is 20. So the simplified answer is 1 by 4. So we can say 0.25 is basically equals to 1 by 4. So decimals to fractions. Okay, let's do part B, 0.3. So there is one digit after the decimal point, so 3 is going to divide by 10. 3 by 10 is already in the simplest form. So 0.3 decimal fraction representation is 3 by 10. Okay, now for part C we have 1.25. Okay, so 1.25, it is 125 divide by 100. Why I'm dividing by 100? Because after the decimal point there are two numbers, and 0 and 10 has two zeros. 100 has two zeros. Sorry. Okay, so there are two digits after the decimal point and 100 has two zeros. Okay, it's the decimal number into a fraction. 125 over 100 is okay, but we need to convert it into simplest form again. Okay, 5 goes to 5 times table. 5 times 2 is 10 and we have 25. 5 times 5 is 25. 5 times 2 is 10 and we have a 0. 5 times 5 is 25. 5 times 4 is 20, right? So that is equals to 5 over 4. Okay, 1.25 is basically 5 by 4. So this is how you convert the decimal number into a fraction. The first thing is to count the number of decimal places, how many digits after this decimal point, and then you according to that you have to divide by 10, by 100, by 1000, by 10,000, and so on, and then you can simplify the numerator and the denominator. You will get the fractional representation of those decimal numbers.